Hi all, welcome to this CoinJanitor tutorial. Today we will be showing you exactly how to sign up and register on the CoinJanitor Dashboard. The first thing you want to do is head over to coinjanitor.io/sign up. And we're going to enter in our email address and our password to secure our CoinJanitor Dashboard account. Let's enter in our email address. And now let's enter in a password. We're going to accept and agree to the terms and conditions, and we're going to click I am not a robot. Once complete, we're going to hit sign up. And now we've been redirected to our dashboard. You'll receive a notification in the top right that your registration was successful, but we're not finished yet. In the top left hand corner, we can view our current token balance, which is 0 currently. We can view the current amount of the US dollar raised amount. We can view the current token price to 1 Ethereum, and we can view the progress meter for the overall progress of the ICO. Now, moving on to entering in our information. Step 1 is to enter in our personal information. Now remember, the information you enter in has to be 100% genuine to aid CoinJanitor in approving your account. Now moving on to the first input field, which is our first name, followed by our second name or middle name, and finally our last name. The next field is the email field, which is the email you use to register this account. And finally, let's enter in our date of birth. To complete this step, hit next. Now we move on to step 2, which is submit your KYC. This section aids CoinJanitor in verifying that you're applicable to take part in the ICO. The first name, middle name, last name, email and date of birth are present on this page because we entered it in step 1. Now we have to enter in additional information to complete the KYC. The first piece of additional information is our gender, followed by our mobile number, our country of origin, and finally your citizenship. The next 3 fields are for your address, which we'll enter in now. The next field is for your state, and finally the city in which you reside. Next is the document number, which refers to the number on your passport, national ID or driver's license that you will submit in the next field. Our document type would in this case be a passport, but if you're submitting an image of your driver's license or national ID, you will select the document type. And the final field is the Ethereum wallet address you would like to receive your JAN tokens to. Now we can upload our image of our passport, national ID or driver's license. Once the image has been uploaded, you can click Next. Step 3 says, thank you for submitting the KYC documents. We are busy reviewing it. Once we're done, we'll send you an email. Below that, you will see your approval status. Once you have been approved or information has been updated, you will be able to view it here. Alternatively, look out for an email with the account you registered with. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a like and be sure to check out our other content. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.